dear children. Today we are going to start with the next chapter, chapter number 16, playing with numbers. Playing with numbers, it means we are going to go with some easier and simpler methods, and we are going to do some games with the numbers. Means in the form of games we are going to solve the numbers, like those games you people give to each other, that what should be added to here. You ask other people in that way. And there will be some forms of numbers, general form and usual form. Then you are going to find the values of the letters like this. The questions are given, and at the last again numbers are given with the missing places, and you need to find out those. These 2-3 things we'll do in this chapter. Today our work is to do numbers in general form and finding the values of the letters. General form is very easy. You people have done in other classes also. The extended form, if we have a number 65, we split tens differently and ones differently. 60 plus 5, and then we write down in the form of zeros, like 10 multiplies 6 plus 5. This is called the generalized form of the number. If it is a 3-digit number, 565, then again split all the 3 place values, 5, then 60, and then 500. It will be split into 100 into 5, plus 10 into 6 plus 5. So it becomes the generalized form of the number. And usual form is, generalized form is given and you write down the number in simple form. That is called the usual form. Example is given in your book. They have done it in the form of letters also, that if your one's letter is C, C will remain to multiply with 1 or as C. Letter is B, so B will be multiplied with 10 because it is a tens place value. If it is A, so A is multiplied to 100 because it is hundreds place value. Similarly, so on. And on base of this only, a try these is given in your books. Write the following number in generalized form. Write the following number in usual form. Generalized form is given. You need to write down in usual form. You can try this once. It is not in your exercise, but still you people can try such questions. And then there are a form of games if you want to study. After that we are going to do finding the values of the letters. Suppose first exercise 16.1, first question is given 3a 2 5 plus answer is given b and 2. So it means we need to find out the value of a and b over here. If it is 3 here, here is blank, 5 here, but below it is 2. So first we will see what should be added to 5 to make it 2, but 2 is smaller than 5, so it means what should be added to 5 to make it 12. Then only our last digit will be 2. So 7 should be added. 7 plus 5 is 12, 2 and 1 is a carry over here. Then we have 2 already here. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So it means value of A is 7 and value of B is 6. In this way you have to solve. Similarly in the multiplication, 1 into A. There are the same digits, A with A with A. Then it should be multiplied to 1 to give 9 over here. How is it possible? Try. And then similarly you have another questions. Both the places are missing. What should be added to 7 to give A? There should be both A and A. Like this you have to solve. And then here A, B, 3, C, A, B. Again B and B. You need to keep in mind, if both the places B are given, then there should be the same number. As like I'll solve fourth question here for a try. Fourth one is A, B, 3 3 7 6 A. Like in this way A is given, है ना? In what way here A and here A is possible? If I write down 7 plus 1 here, then it is 8, but 8 will not come here to make it 6, है ना? If I write here 7 plus 3, 7 plus 3 becomes 10, so it will be 0 here, 1 here, 3 plus 1 4, and 2 0 and 2 again a different value, है ना? In this way I can go with if I write, chalo, suppose we write down A, I write at the place of B, I write down 4 7 plus 4 is 11, 1 comes here, 1 comes carry, and both are the A, so it means if my 1 comes over here, 1 should be here also. 1 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, but our answer is 6, so it means it is not possible. Now as we see here, only one number was missing, so we can change this number. Let us try with 5 7 plus 5 12, 2 1 carry, and as a value 2 is here, so here also 2 3, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 1 6. Yes, it comes over here, so it means value of A is 2 here and value of B is 5 here. In this way try to solve your exercise. Thank you.